5 out of 5, how me? Army here, Mike, are you ready to copy LZ update? Army here, Mike, are you ready to copy LZ update? Here, Mike, LZ update. Line 1, location 31 Uniform Echo Tango 98753 50389. Line 5, wind 230 degrees. Line 6, enemy, none. Line 7, friendly, none. Line 10, final land heading 200 degrees. Line 11, marking, marshaller. I'll copy. Army here, Mike, we want the Chinook on spot 3, the Black Hawks on spot 4.
Chinook on spot 3, Black Hawks on spot 4, Army 203.
Army here, Mike.
Port Control, Army Copter 08173, Tango CH-47 established in holding and will proceed inbound on 126 to clear the pads.
Mike, good copy. When the Chinook lands, it needs to shut down his engines immediately.
Roger 173, copy and shut down. And religiously 173. LZ Control, Army 2032, currently entering the right downwind for landing.
Mike, good copy. You're cleared for landing.
Good land, Army 2032.
Chinook here, Mike.
Port Control, Chinook 173,
Mike, good copy. You can land on spot 4.
Understand, spot 4 for 173. And 4 will then be marked, with only tracking 2 pads.
Chinook 1 here, Mike, we're gonna place a marshaller on the spot.
Good copy for Chinook 173.
Chinook 1 here, Mike.
Port Control, go for Chinook.
Mike, you need to land on final land heading 240. How copy?
Copy land heading 240 for 173. Mike, Army 20361.
Army here, Mike, read you 5 out of 5, how me?
I have you saying we are 2.5 minutes out.
Mike, good copy. You're ready to receive LG update?
We are ready to receive brief.
Mike, line 1, location 31 Uniform Echo Tango 98753 50389. Line 5, wind 230 degrees. Line 6, enemy, none. Line 7, friendly, none. Line 10, final land heading 200 degrees. Line 11, marking, marshaller. I'll copy.
361 is good copy. We're a flight of 4. Will be 2 and 2.
Mike, you got 2 Black Hawks, 2 Apaches?
That's correct. It will be, the first 2 will be 1 Apache, 1 Black Hawk. The second will be 1 Apache, 1 Black Hawk.
Mike, good copy. Do you have a ferry chopper with you?
We do. The last one will be the ferry chopper. We have all land for this LZ already.
Mike, the ferry chopper can land on spot 4.
Copy, ferry on spot 4.
Mike, be aware there's a police boat on your flight path.
Understood. Mike, 361.
361.
Mike, 361, request takeoff to the southeast, back to Eindhoven.
Here, Mike, you can take off and go over the water.
That's affirmative. We will pick up to a hover, slide left to the water, and take off to the southeast.
Here, Mike, good copy. I'm here, Mike. What's your tail number?
20361.
Here, Mike, thank you. Army, this is Mike, with you 5 out of 5, how many?
20361 has you slightly broken but readable.
Mike, stand by, I'm gonna change my position. Army, this is Mike, how do you read?
Mike, 20361 has you loud and clear, ready to receive LZ brief.
Army, this is Mike, LZ update, line 1, location 31, uniform, Echo Tango, 98753 50389. Line 5, wind 230 degrees. Line 6, enemy, none. Line 7, friendly, none. Line 10, final land heading 200. Line 11, marking marshaller. I'll copy.
20361 will be a flight of 216.
Here, Mike, good copy. Army, here, Mike, do you have a ETA? Here, Mike, do you got a ETA? Army, here, Mike.
Yeah, Mike, 361.
Here, Mike, Black Hawk can land on spot 3, Apache on spot 4.
Alright, Black Hawk spot 3 and Apache spot 4.
364 here, Mike. Army here, Mike. Army here, Mike. Army here, Mike. Army here, Mike. 364 here, Mike. And read you 5 out of 5, how me? Army here, Mike. Army here, Mike. Army here, Mike. Army here, Mike. Army here, Mike.
Roger, we're 2 miles out.
Here, Mike, good copy. Are you ready to copy LZ update?
Ready to copy LZ update.
Here, Mike, line 1, location 31, uniform, Echo Tango, 98753 50389. Line 5, wind 203 degrees. Line 6, enemy, none. Line 7, friendly, none. Line 10, final land heading 200 degrees. Line 11, marking marshaller. How copy?
That's a good copy for Army. Commodore 26482 in flight.
Army here, Mike. Army here, Mike.
Go for 364.
Here, Mike, the first Black Hawk can land on spot 3, the second on spot 4. I'll copy.
Roger, 3 then 4.